Good evening, friends. Today, on 3rd November, over here at Irla Rasraj Nala, we have Mr. Dish and Mr. Mahesh and I myself, General Shah. We are here. We have taken down a project from BMC, the pilot project from BMC to clean up the Nala. Mr. Siddesh is from BMC. I'll just hand over the mic to him to speak something about the Nala.
So as he said, we have taken this pilot, we have given permission for this pilot project to clean the Nala and to see if this system works in the Nala and if it can clean the Nala water satisfactorily. And now we have taken the samples and after a few months, 3 months at max, we'll be rechecking all the water quality standards like BOD, COD, suspended solids and all the basic parameters we'll be checking, and we'll be seeing what difference it makes, the procedure to the Nala water, and from that we'll come to know how success with the project.
So if you can just see the Nala, the waste that is inside the Nala. Okay, we have came up with new biotechnology to clean up the Nala with a reduced cost, with reduced power and consumption, and with the reduced manpower also. We have our technical head, Mr. Mahesh ji, who would be describing more on it.
Thank you, Mr. Dinesh. Thank you, Mr. Siddesh, for coming and joining us. This is a unique technology which you have brought it to India. And by using biotechnology, we will demonstrate how we can clean this Nala with about its organic waste, seeds, sludge, whatever is present now, and make sure the flow of the water will be much better and improved one. So it can carry all the sea as well as the floating debris. Both we would like to demonstrate. And we thank you and your seniors and also the AMC who has accorded us permission to start this. And I'm very sure you will be visiting us very often to check the Nala and how the condition will be. And as it progresses, we will be talking more about our technology and we appreciate it. Thank you very much for your presence.
Thank you, Mr. Mahesh ji and Mr. Siddesh, because Mr. Siddesh has taken out some precious time from his tight schedule. Thank you, friends, and we'll keep on posting about the updates on the Nala. Thank you.